Holy crap, it's slippery out here too. Alright gang, we're out here with a shotgun, believe it or not. Rock Island Arms. It's the all generation pump defense, 12 gauge pump. Rear stock's got a cheek riser on it. Got the cross bolt safety. The furniture on here, it's an 18.5-inch barrel, vent rib. Furniture similar to Magpul. Pretty nice looking shotgun. I'll give you a little flyby. We're just going to put 5 rounds to it because it's colder than a witch's butt out here today. Find out where these knuckleheads are going. We're just going to be shooting it in the bank. I don't want to shoot it at still targets because we got some people off to the north of us. And I don't want the splatter to get over there, especially if they've got some kids there. Let's give her a whirl here. Come on. Holy crap, it's slippery out here too. It's got a little bit of thump to it. On this packed down snow, it's slippery. Now when it moves a guy like me back, almost lose your footing, you know it's slick out here. But there it is, Rock Island Arms. Give you another little flyby here. Nice little shotgun. MSRP $289, that's a steal. Kind of a cross between, got a little bit of the Remington with the cross bolt and the forward slide release here. But there you go. Like I said, it's only about 22 degrees out here. Of course, the wind's died down. Sun's going away, so it's getting colder and overcast. So there you go, Rock Island Arms, 12 gauge. Thanks for watching. God bless America and our armed forces, past and present.